The easiest online income to start after 50 might not be what you think. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to build financial freedom without tech overwhelm, recruiting, or endless hours of work. If you've ever felt too old or too late to start something new, stay with me because by the end, you'll see how simple this can actually be. And I'll share the exact step-by-step blueprint I wish I'd had years ago. What if I told you the very first step doesn't involve selling to friends or family? The easiest place to begin is with affiliate marketing, recommending products or programs online and earning a commission when someone buys. And the best part, you don't have to create anything yourself. You simply connect people with solutions. We'll get into how to make this automated a little later. But what if you're worried about being tech challenged? That's where done-for-you systems come in. These are pre-built websites and funnels you can plug into immediately. Imagine this. You pay a small setup fee, and suddenly you have a business that can generate $500, $1,000, even $5,000 without any coding or design. If I can do this at 56 with zero background in tech, you can too. The real secret is learning how to drive traffic, which I'll touch on in a moment. Now, you might be wondering, where do I even find people to buy from me? The truth is, it's all about leveraging social media as a business tool, not just for scrolling, but for sharing short, helpful content that attracts your ideal audience. Platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook will push your content in front of people who are searching exactly what you offer. And here's the crazy part. Some people earn 3,000 plus in commissions just from one single video. So you don't need to have a big following, just consistency and the right system doing the heavy lifting for you. So I'll share a tip on that makes it so much easier. But here's the catch. No one talks about. If you're only building on borrowed platforms, you don't truly own your business. That's why the smartest thing you can do is build your email list. With an email list, you can reach your audience anytime without relying on algorithms. Even with a list of just 1,000 people, some marketers generate 10,000 plus months. It's simple to start. Every person who opts into your system becomes your contact, not the company's. That's true financial independence. And finally, the step that pulls everything together. It's learning a step-by-step blueprint. Instead of trying to find pieces and things together alone, this is what turns trial and error into a real business. Following a proven system means you can scale faster, avoid expensive mistakes, and create income that grows month after month. And remember, you're starting from scratch. You're building on a foundation that's already working for thousands of people just like you. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to start, this is it. The easiest online income after 50 isn't about luck. It's about plugging into the right system, one that works even if you've never touched tech before. And here's what I'd love to know. If you could choose between making $500 a month for fun money or an extra $5,000 a month to completely change your lifestyle, which one would you go for? Comment below. I can't wait to read your answers and connect with you. And don't forget to subscribe because in my next video, I'm going to show exactly how to get traffic to your online business without paying for ads. Okay, take care.